A mass extinction killed off most men about 8,000 years ago. It left most women untouched. If we look at the genetic data from archaeological findings that we have and order them chronologically, we can see this gigantic dip. It happened about 8,000 years ago at the start of the Neolithic era. It seems that 16 out of every 17 men died without producing any offspring. The crazy part is that the women were completely untouched. There's no dip. This immediately ruled out diseases or cataclysms, as nothing ever managed to be so one-sided. This happened right at the start of the Neolithic era, the time period in which we went from hunter-gatherer societies to settlement-based ways of living. So the first idea is that the new settlers managed to gather more resources and become more powerful, and they essentially slaughtered every single hunter-gatherer. But this is not the case, as the dip seemed to end right when the Neolithic era truly began to flourish. So then we thought about economy. Maybe in these first villages, the local economy would be so unstable that you would have a very tiny ruling class that would essentially have harems. They would have all the women for themselves, and they were the only ones allowed to have children. But we know for a fact that historically, in small-scale societies, whenever someone got too powerful, anti-dominance coalitions would be formed. Essentially, everyone else would band together and whoop the asses of the rich people. And we finally found the answer, and it does have to do with warfare. Now, the full picture is a bit too complicated, and you'd probably like the 4-minute video I made about this. It's linked down below, so please go watch it.